about to pull out. His switchboard curtains, and I've been waiting so long. Now I gotta resurface. Yeah, we about to toast out. All the bread that we burning, 'cause I've been feeling cool talk. I've been cool talk. Yeah, I'm off the Bud Light, not the bourbon. I might chop the roof off the Suburbans. Try to be a nice guy, John Turner. Till I started throwing up in your Birkin. Then I woke up in the morning. Police showed up at my door with a warrant. I remember flushing something down the toilet. Guess you gotta let me off with the warning. Return of Mac. Feeling like an outcast. I'm the only guy in slacks that'll cost you 3 stacks. Now you saving that check. Why you taking my swag? Can you give me that back? Gucci my product, Miyake, Louis Vuitton, and Tommy. All of these things on my body. Let's party. I'm about to pull out. His switchboard curtains, and I've been waiting so long. Now I gotta resurface. Yeah, we about to toast out. All the bread that we burning, 'cause I've been feeling cool talk. I've been feeling cool talk. Gotta pull up. I'ma pull up. I pull up. Ayy. Got black minks all on the road, whoa, whoa. Got hella poppin' draw, whoa, whoa. In every hood they show us low, whoa, whoa. Partner in crime with me while we whippin' in the spaceship. Got it out the pavement, now we getting payment. Everybody around me getting money, it's too contagious. Kept it solid, now we real rich today, amazing. I pulled up the black badge cause it was cleaner. I remember I was just posted up with the demons. And Posty took me on my first damn tour date. He had me rocking every night, sold out arenas. A project I never thought I would see. If I tried to tell you, you probably wouldn't believe us. I'm about to pull out.